are going to get some broccoli. Look at that broccoli. I don't know why I'm singing like that. That's kind of crazy. Okay, this broccoli is about to get huge. And then how you know you're ready to get the broccoli? If it's nice and brightly colored. But if it starts turning yellow and start to flower, you gotta hurry up and pick it and eat it. Same thing, we're gonna get this one. This one's huge, right? And there's a tiny one over here. We're gonna give that a little, but it grows fast. I'm pretty sure next week this one will be huge and big.
Holes.
I know. These holes are these little worms or caterpillars eating it up. I don't know where they're at, but they eating up my broccoli leaves.
Oh, look.
Yeah, look at that cabbage. That thing is getting big. All right, so let's cut this broccoli one. And what I looked up is when you're cutting broccoli, you gotta cut it at the base. Let's see here. I think I'm gonna, holy Christmas. I'm gonna cut this thing. I think I'm gonna cut it here. I'm gonna cut it here. Or maybe I should cut it. If I cut it here, yeah, I'm gonna cut it right here. Right there. Okay. Hold on, Kylie. All right, let me take my, oh man, this thing is huge. It's a huge mother sucker. All right, beep. If I cut it at the base, oh no, I'll take this with me. Actually, the base is right above this one. Actually, here, I'm gonna take you right here. Okay. Oh, damn. How am I gonna get through this? My thing can't even get, what the world is going on here? Okay, I need something bigger here. Oh, sorry. Let's go like so. There we go. Oh yeah. Yeah. Where'd the basket go? I need a basket. Broccoli. Don't drop it. That broccoli's kind of heavy. Let's make sure that doesn't bite you. Be careful. What is that? Let me see what that is.
A little bug.
I know, but be careful. I think that, I don't know what kind of bug that is, but you may want to put him back where you found him. All right, we're going to get another piece. Do you want me to hold this, or you want to play with a bug? All right, you play with the bug. I'll get another piece of broccoli. All right, I'm going to grab this one too. All right, let's grab this one. Again, I'm going to try to get this right about here. I'm gonna get it at the base. No. Yes, right here. Here we go. All right, come on. Nice. Nice. Look at that. That's some serious fresh broccoli. All right, cool. This cabbage, I'm gonna leave that. I mean, this is something you'll probably get from the supermarket size. This one is still teeny tiny. But yeah, all these holes are now, you got like little caterpillar worms. Oh, God damn it. Caterpillar worms eating this stuff up. So I'm gonna have to put some organic, something organic on here to get them from stop eating up my leaves. A couple of them I just picked off and I just threw them on the other side of the fence. But I don't know where's another one at. They are just snacking up all these leaves. And actually, you can eat these leaves. The broccoli leaves, they say, is high in vitamin C. And so that's the thing. Once you start planting a garden, everybody else want to come and eat on your stuff. And then look at this one. This one is still growing. So I'll probably get this one next week. And funny. Yeah. Okay, cool. All right. Some of this salad is bolting up. I'm gonna have to get some of the salad peeled off. All right, let's get it going. Huh? Oh yeah, cool. Now, got the broccoli from the garden. I'm still impressed by the size of this broccoli. For free. No supermarket, nothing. You grow it yourself. It's all organic. You're looking right at it. You know what you put in it and you know where it came from. It came from your backyard and it's on your table. Now, I just want to know how much broccoli this is. So I got the scale, put it on there, and it is over a pound of broccoli. Come on, how much does a pound of broccoli cost in the supermarket? Organic. So, and the other one was almost the same size. That one was almost a pound itself, not quite, a few ounces from a full pound. Was that 12 ounces? So, I'm telling you, you can grow it yourself. So now, we took the broccoli, we chopped it up, and then it became part of our dinner that night and our baked potato night. We usually do a baked potato bar where we have different veggies you put in your baked potato. But yeah, that broccoli was lovely. So I'm gonna definitely grow some more. I'm gonna have to give it a lot more space because I didn't give it enough space. So here's the potato I'm putting together. We lightly steamed it. We mixed it with some corn, and then I think we got some cauliflower as well, and I made some more like a buffalo sauce or buffalo wing style cauliflower, and put all the trimmings. So this is what I'm doing now. So that's our cauliflower that we cooked, putting that in there. It's sauced up with a whole bunch of hot sauce and whatnot. And this is the fun part. You can get all the kids together when you do potato bar night. Get all type of veggies and toppings. Let them build their own food. Again, we're on the vegan lifestyle, or the plant-based lifestyle. So we get all our sauces, and it's all about the sauce. You get your different sauces. I think I'm putting, I'm putting barbecue sauce on it, and I'm putting some vegan queso on it. We have some other vegan cheese over there on the side. So here you just dress it up. I think I have some other chopped onions I'm gonna put in there. And we pretty much go to town. And so these potatoes we got from Costco. So I think I'm drizzling some vegan sour cream on here. So there's a ton of stuff that we put in our food. And again, it gives you a lot of variety, a lot of options. And it's also fun. Kids like building it and they eat it all up. And that's a way to get them involved in eating their veggies. This is really good that you can grow stuff and eat it right there. So you can literally put your supermarket, your groceries, and grow them in your backyard and just eat them yourself. It's something else. I think I even went back and got some more and threw it on there. And I put everything in there. I chopped up the stalk, everything, and we just steamed it all. And you eat the entire thing. So this is our baked potato. Enjoy. I hope you enjoyed that video as much as I'm enjoying eating it. I hope this inspires you to go to your backyard and grow something. Take care.
Perfect.